Yo, what's up, gang? What's up, YouTube? This your boy Nicholas. I'm back with another video. As you can see, man. In today's video, I just want to talk about FS Studio Mobile and my experience with using FS Studio Mobile. To be honest, I've had a lot of good reviews and bad reviews about making music with FS Studio Mobile. And today, I just want to go through the FS Studio Mobile and explore all the updates that we have inside FS Studio Mobile, and maybe new members could be interested and they can download it from Google Play Store and start making music. As you know, I'm only strictly focused on trap music. That does not mean that I don't dabble into other genres like um um I'm a piano, I do like I'm a piano, I do Afro beats, but anyways, I'm strictly focused with trap and I love trap. So gonna go through the FS mobile platform and check all the features that it has and the new available updates, because FS Studio is always updating, bro. Every month, every year. FS Studio right now we're on currently FS Studio 4. I mean 25 FS Studio PC, but FS Studio Mobile one like 4.89 the last time I checked. So anyways, let's go through the platform and explore more and find out some of the features which are good and check out all the plugins that are available which can help us make better sound. Thanks for watching. Peace. This is your boy Nicholas Beatmaker, and I'm back with another video. So, like I said, I'm always cooking new hot stuff, new videos every day, every time. So, as you can see, I'm inside FS Studio Mobile. You can see here, select the channel with notes to use the keyboard. Man, like I said, I want to buy a MIDI keyboard, man, because I'm not able to express my melodies through this keyboard on this mobile stuff. You understand? But I used to have a MIDI keyboard back in the days, and I lost it. I lost it. But anyways, this video is not about MIDI keyboard. This video is about FS Studio Mobile and what it can do for you if you don't have a PC, or if you love music and you want to create. Because I see a lot of people, they're blowing up. They're making piano type beats. Like, I'm on YouTube, I watch these kids. They're crazy. They're doing crazy stuff. But the only thing I can start with so it's the songs. You can see this part at the top right corner. You can see I got zip files, fml. You can save zip files, fml. Like, I'm always having new project after project each and every time. Let's go to the project. You can see the project length. You can see the time spent on the project. Like, FS Mobile gives you all the data necessary for you. You can see the tempo. You can see the sample rate. You can see the meta data, auto online league performance. Press play to analyze performance. You can see the performance on your, like, on your realm, on your channel, whatever is happening on your channel. There's a lot that you get all the information about your project. We go to the settings. You can input. You can see here, like, this is where you can use your, let's say, MIDI keyboard. Like I said, I used to have a MIDI keyboard, and I was using, as you can see, MIDI input. I was using a MIDI keyboard, and I was using a USB, like, it was using USB Type C back in the days. But yeah, man, MIDI driver. You can scan Bluetooth MIDI devices. Well, I didn't know about this. Enable Bluetooth in settings to connect Bluetooth MIDI devices. Like, bro, I don't know about this, but yeah, audio multi-core processing, I don't, like, so many things I don't know, bro. I need time to go through all these things. Enable low latency mode recording, enable audio recording compensation, enable multi-track recording. Like, it has improved, and you can see the user interface. You got different themes. You can change it however you want inside FS Studio Mobile. I feel like this one is the best. I like the deep blue, and I also like paper. Paper high contrast is also dope. Yeah, but I like deep blue and paper. And the scaling, you can zoom your FS Studio Mobile the way you want, because if I start to zoom now, it will want me to exit and stuff. But anyways, You can go to 60 or you can go to 200%. It's up to you and how you want to see it. You can like enable ghost notes if you don't know how to play the keyboard. Like you can set the middle C to C4. You can make continuous scrolling playback. I'm sure everybody knows what is continuous scrolling playback. It's like when you play you playing a beat or something. Let me show you an example. Let me go to the let me choose any type of beat and then I'll show you what it means. Enable play. Let's choose this one. Okay, you can see that it's playing, right? So you can see it's playing, but let's enable continuous scrolling playback. Continuous scrolling during playback. Check the difference. You can see it's moving, right? It's moving. So because I turned it on, it's moving because I turned it on. Let me turn it off. You can see something. This beat. Yeah. It's no longer moving, right? Let me turn it on. So I feel like it's cool. I feel like it's cool. It's up to you, and you can show CPU RAM meters. You need to check your CPU because you can like if you're making music, your CPU shouldn't be red. Like I said, if your music turns red, then I don't know. That's a trouble. You can sign up with the Google Drive, sync automatically, sync only when connected to Wi-Fi. That's the settings. And you can go to shopping and buy new sound if you want new sound. Recently I bought this new sound, like I bought this guitar sound. Yeah, let me go and show you this guitar sound which I bought recently. I don't just want to talk about things that are like want to like prove it. So these are the sounds. Let me make something and then I will change the sound and see what we got. Let me play this. It's an example, man. I'm not making a beat anyway. I'm just what, can you please stop? Let me turn the continuous scrolling off. Yeah, and then you can delete this beat and then we can like, I want to preview those guitar sounds, right? So I bought these sounds, man, and I feel like they're good, honestly. And there is that wow, 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 wow. You understand? You can buy these other sounds. There's a lot of sounds with FS Studio Mobile. Then files. Then yeah, files. And another thing about FS Studio Mobile is that can see here you can mix your stuff here and then you can check here project key. I'm sure everybody knows all these things. It's not necessary for you to show you, but there is some of the tricks that most people they don't know. Honestly, they don't know. Like imagine holding this note and then you go to more. Maybe most of you don't know this part. Legato, snap to scale, guess scale. You can guess the scale. Choose let me choose this note and then we guess the scale. Find out. You can see it's showing you the scale that is used here: B minor natural, B minor polymode, B minor pentatonic. So yeah, I think those are the three types of scale which I used with this pattern here. And let's check. You can see this one is A. Let me check again. Guess scale. It says B minor natural, B major polymode, B minor pentatonic. So out of these three scales, I think I used one of these scale. Yeah, when you're making beats, and some of the things are hidden inside it. inside the FS Studio Mobile. It just needs you an experience, and when you're making new and creating new stuff, it's up to you, and you find out and you discover it when you go through it. Yo, that's it, man. If you want FS Studio Mobile, make sure you go to Google Play Store and download it and start making beats. And tutorials, you can watch my tutorials or you can watch someone's tutorials. There's a lot of people who are making tutorials. Go to help also here, then you will watch video tutorials, manage account, user manual, all those things, but anyways, that's what I wanted to show. Yeah, man, let me cook another video. I'll be back soon.